Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Carrera S K.H. I've got this Porsche 997 I was working on yesterday, I think. Just want to get back to you guys. So I just finished cleaning the intake manifold, as you can see. It's hard to see properly here. See there? Just finished cleaning that side there. Just finished cleaning those ports there, and this one here as well. So I just gotta suck the. What I usually do, I'll just put any leftover from this cleaner there, decarb there. I actually just put a rag in there and dry it up so it doesn't go inside the cylinder. So you try to avoid anything. If the valves are open, don't clean that port. Only clean the ports that are closed when the valves are closed. So you don't want any of the extra stuff to go inside the actual cylinder. And what happens is when you start the car, you can have a hydraulic lock. All right. Make sure all that. And what I usually do is take the if I'm not sure, I take the spark plug out. Alright, so let's go back to the side that's dirty. Look at this one here. Look how dirty that port is. That's dirty. That's very dirty there. This one here is very dirty as well. This one here is a little bit alright. I just started cleaning this one. Just comparing now until we actually finish cleaning. But I just want to show you the one that I cleaned already. Much better compared to the other one. See, that's a much better view. Alright, so don't worry about this part here because that will be cleaned after using a gurney outside. When I'm ready to actually put the engine in, then I'll do that. But just a quick video to show you. I have cleaned the intake ports and the exhaust ports on this car here. It's always good to clean both ports. There's no point cleaning the the intake ports and leave the exhaust ports because you need the airflow to go. The airspeed is very important when it comes to Porsche or any intake system and exhaust. Airspeed is very important. So if you have a dirty intake, dirty exhaust, that will slow down the speed of the air. So the quicker the airspeed, if you have the velocity going in and going out quick, then it's much better for your airflow, and so you get more power. All right. This car, the owner of this car will notice a big difference in throttle response, low speed, especially low speed on this car here. Anyway, I'm going to put the intake back on. We'll soon back out. I'm going to clean the intake as well, and then after I clean the intake, and I'm going to put the new gaskets underneath here, and when I install the intake manifold into here. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.